So this is kind of a secondary garden I have on the other side of the yard. Way over there behind that fence is where I was a little while ago. And I just have a table out here. I was doing some seedlings things on. There's some cilantro and a couple of basil plants. My basil plants are all dying out because it's too cold now. So I'm just letting them go. I don't like struggling through the winter trying to keep plants alive by bringing them in and out all the time, because I always end up missing a day, and that's all it takes, and they're dead. So these are beets. You got Detroit Red and Early Wonder. Not sure which ones are which. Don't worry about that too much. Anyway, I got two varieties here. These got eaten up pretty bad by worms when I first put them out here, but I treated that, and they're doing pretty good now. As you can see, they get good early morning sun. Here's a couple of them over here that got devastated by the worms. And they probably won't make any beets, but I'm going to keep them going just to see if they revive or not. And you can see the one right next to it's got a giant leaf on it. That'd be good for eating. Got a little dirt on it, but and a lot of these got eaten by the bugs too. I had these leaf roller caterpillars in there. They're these little yellow caterpillars with black eyes, and they roll the leaf over top of them and eat the leaves from the inside out. And they're quite disgusting because they live in their own poop and everything. So these are my garlic chives. I noticed I had a few true garlic pop up among the garlic chives. See that? See, there's a couple, there's 3 of them. Maybe 4. There might be more. There might be more. I think there are. But anyway, I used to plant garlic here, so they're probably bulbils from those garlic from back in the old days. Got a few other plants. There's a couple rosemary over there, and a basil that's been going all summer, and some more cilantro, sage, parsley in my shadow there, and those basil, those are the ones that I might try to save one of those just so we'll have some fresh basil if we want it for something, but we don't really use it that much anyway. And those are basil there too, a Thai basil, which as you can see they don't like the cold weather. And garlic chives, I've got tons of those. They do great here. You don't even have to water them if you don't want to. So, and there's my surviving sagos. I'll be digging the pups off of those. Those are the pups down there on the bottom, all the way around it. There's like 20 of them between these 2 plants. And I'll be digging those this winter and planting them in those pots with some cactus soil that I'm gonna have to pick up at Lowe's or something. That's it for now.